I gotta show you guys all this stuff. Look at all this. Dang! Today we are tearing off a little section. It's just a little repair. It's a one-day deal. The guy has rotten trusses, and they called me up and they were like, "Hey man, come check this out. There's a bunch of stuff going on over here." So kind of excited to get up there and see exactly what we got going on. All right, so basically what we're looking at is we open this up and it's all rotten right here. So it needs new soffits, needs a new rafter, especially that one. Look how rotten that one is. That one's shot. Ain't that right, Froy? Hey, talk about a camera shy guy. This is the most camera shy guy. Look at him already. Look at him. It's only been on one support. I'm no framer, but this does not look very good. Just have these across. That's the only support. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a 2x4 probably, set it on top of that and come all the way across and tie into this right here. So we got Jason in the background. He's actually shingling it, and I'm gonna let him tell you guys how to do it. Lord knows I can't speak Spanish. I can say a couple words, but not very much. So let's go see what he has to say.
Hey, what's up, Mr. Legend? Empezamos a rufear del lado derecho porque ellos empezaron así. Regularmente se empieza del lado izquierdo, pero pues esto es así, más que a seguir.
What he didn't tell you was that side that he's shingling, he wasn't supposed to tear that off. He got a little excited. Only this little section, it was a little repair that we were supposed to do. So now we're making him go, you know, put the shingles back on. I'm gonna go get out of here. I'm gonna go run around the town. All right, I just got done doing some errands, running around, and came back here at the end of the day. We did get the trailer in here and clean up a bunch of stuff. And man, I'm telling you, I pulled up and it looks like they're about done. These guys work fast. So let's go over here and kind of see exactly what they got going on. Need some help? Looks like it. Oh, looks like we need a little bit of help putting up the soffit. Easy does it with the first nail. It looks like it's in there solid. Let's go up and take a peek. I haven't even taken a peek yet, but let's go see what we got. Wow, look how nice this looks. Looks way better. We actually kept this ridge cap the same when they did it because the last roofers did it. I didn't do this roof, but we try to keep it the same, you know. Normally we will get some ridge cap on it, but if you're standing from the street, it looks the same. So that's kind of what we wanted to use. This looks like an old GAF elk, and did this flat roof on it. Now he shouldn't have a problem. Before it was leaking everywhere. Giving a hard time, man? You see how they cut the siding above so that way it doesn't rot out? Look at this ridge cap though. Who does this? I mean, we had to do this. But really, this is not good practices. I gotta have the cleanup crew right here. Yeah. This is like, I don't know, probably like a quarter full. How many layers was it? 1 or 2? 3? ¿Cuántas cuadras? Dos y media. So really, if you think about it, 3 squares with 3 layers, that's 9 squares, plus a lot of woodwork. That's a lot of work to do for one day with 2 guys. They busted that out, and they had to go get all the materials clean up all the trash. So what we did is we came out here, tore off the 3 layers, cleaned it up, then we prepared the deck, fixed all the drywall, sorry about that, guys. back there cleaning up. And once you clean it up, you really inspect the deck. You want to make sure that the deck is nice and clean for the application, the flat roof application, plus the shingles. Videos, I got a video up here explaining on exactly how we do the shingles. I got to show you guys all this stuff. Look at all this. Dang, this is this van is loaded up. You guys have a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like it, subscribe.